Good morning, student. As we were studying chapter sound, today we are going to study the topic larynx in this chapter. So, in this chapter, we are going to study what is larynx, what produces sound in woman body, and how it functions, and which part of a body is responsible for producing sound. What are the functions through what it enters in our body. So, firstly, what is larynx? We have to know what is larynx. Okay, larynx is nothing but it is called as the voice cord, voice box, or voice cord of human. Okay, larynx is also known as, it is also called as voice box or voice cord of the human being. Okay, which helps you to produce sound. So now you know what is sound. Sound is a kind of vibration. So what is larynx? It is a organ inside our ear neck. It is present inside our neck, which helps you to produce what? Sound. Which helps you to produce sound. Like whenever we breathe, we sing, we talk, this larynx only, it helps us to produce sound. So which part of the sound, what produces sound? So what produces sound? You know, sound is a kind of vibration, and with this vibration only, this larynx, which is present inside our neck, this helps you to produce the sound. So what is inside our neck? How deep? We will go and study it deeply. So here, if you see which part is responsible for producing sound, so you know which part is responsible in human being to produce sound, that is larynx. And how? Firstly, it is said where is the larynx located? I know it is inside our neck, but where inside our neck? So you know larynx is located inside our throat. You know the throat, this here. When you open your mouth, okay, your throat will look like this. Whenever you open your mouth, your throat will look like this. In the male adult, what happens? This larynx is clearly visible. If you can see, suppose here this is a male body. If you will see some portion like this is there present in the neck, means it is some portion of their this larynx is pretended. Okay, so this is known as what? Larynx. This is known as what? Larynx. It is clearly visible in the male, but in case of the females, larynx is not clearly visible. Okay, but in male you will be easily able to see the larynx when they enters to their mature ages. Okay, so from here, if you see, whenever we breathe, whenever we breathe inside, so what happens? The air passes through the nasal cavity, through our nostril, it enters to the larynx, and this is known as the trachea. So what is trachea here? This is larynx and this is trachea. Whenever we breathe through our nose here, this portion is known as what? This is larynx, and it enters through the trachea. This is a tube-like structure. What is trachea? This is the tube-like structure. Okay, because and this only whenever we breathe, what happens? It enters to the trachea and then it goes inside this tube-like structure, and from this tube-like structure there passes to our lungs. Okay, this you understood what I said? This is the tube-like. What is trachea? Means trachea is the tube-like structure, and with this only whenever we breathe, it enters to the trachea and it reaches to the it enters to the trachea, and larynx is the upper part of the trachea. See, this is the trachea and this is the upper part of the trachea is known as the larynx, which helps us to breathe, and it passes through the trachea, and from the trachea it goes to the lung. Now inside the trachea, vocal cords are present. What do you mean by vocal cords? This is the vocal cords. Whenever you open your throat, this will be visible like this. If you will be able to see in this way, and the blue colored structure of this part is known as the vocal cords. Whenever you speak or or some vibration is produced inside our throat, this vocal cords, it get attached here like this. Means this vocal cords, what happened, it get attached, it comes closer, and that helps you to produce sound. If you will open your mouth, you will see the vocal cords in this way. But whenever you speak, these vocal cords, what happen, it get closer, and which help you to produce vibration, and this vibration only it produces the sound here. So this is the vocal cord. So what is the special thing that is present inside the word box that produces sound? That is the vocal cord. Okay, and from here you understood what is larynx. How does the sound is produced? What is the part inside of the human body which helps it to produce sound, and what is the function of sound? What is vocal cords here? How the whenever we breathe, how it enters our vocal cord? What is trachea, and what is the larynx? Which portion of the trachea is known as the larynx? That is the uppermost portion. Means this portion, this colored part of the trachea, that is known as the larynx. So from here you can see this is a tube-like structure which is known as trachea, or it is also known as the windpipe. And from this windpipe, the uppermost part is known as what? It is known as the lyra. And inside this larynx, what is present? Vocal cords is present, which help you to produce sound. Means firstly it will create vibration, and after this vibration, what will happen? This vocal cords, it will come closer to each other, and thus it will produce sound. So you have to write down the topic, what is larynx, write down its function, and draw the diagram of larynx, and please explain the trachea portion of this. What is vocal cord, what is trachea, and how the air passes through the trachea and it reaches to the lungs.